This recording is going to go over the point of view questions for The Giver by Lois Lowry. Before you begin, please put both your name and your homeroom at the top of your paper. This assignment is worth a total of 39 points. Although there are no directions, you do need to be sure to write in complete sentences when answering short answer and extended response questions. The first question is a yes or no question. It says, has the narrator mentioned anything in the story thus far that Jonas has not directly experienced? What I'm asking you here is if the author has told you about any events that Jonas was not involved in. If it's yes, circle yes. If it's no, circle no. Question 2 says, find 3 passages that show the narrator's access to Jonas's inner thoughts and feelings. Each page number is worth 2 points. Jonas's thoughts and feelings are worth 4 points. Because I'm asking you for 3 examples, this is worth a total of 18 points. You can use any examples from what we've read so far. If you go to the book and you open to the very first page, you will see an example of both thoughts and feelings. Let's take a look. It says, it was almost December, and Jonas was beginning to be frightened. That's an example of an emotion. No, wrong word, Jonas thought. That's an example of Jonas's thoughts. So you could record that here, page number 1, and then the example of his thoughts and feelings. You would then need to find 2 more examples on your own. Question 3 says, does the narrator report anyone else's inner thoughts and feelings? Either yes or no. I'm asking you if the author is giving you a peek into anyone else's head. Question 4 says, what seems to be the narrator's relationship to the events of the story? Is the narrator personally involved? That means, is the narrator a character who's taking part in the events of the story? Or is the narrator separate from the events? Is the narrator maybe giving you more of a camera view, telling you what's happening from the outside? After you've made your choice, you'll need to explain your choice in complete sentences. When you explain, use evidence to be sure that you get all of your points. Question 5 says, from what point of view, first, second, or third person, is this story told? Explain your reasoning. In order to receive all of your points, you must explain. If you take a look at your point of view notes, you'll notice that you're given definitions of first person, second person, and third person point of view. This will help you in answering this question. The last question is question 6. It says, is the narrator omniscient or limited? If you go back to your point of view notes, you will find examples of, or rather definitions for both omniscient and limited. Be sure to explain your answer so I know that you understand it fully and so that you can get all 5 points.